Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update drivers on LG Gram. To update your drivers, if you just set up your Windows, then you're gonna have to go to the Start menu, then open Settings, and on the sidebar select Windows Update, and here you're gonna see all the updates required for your system to work properly, so download and install all of them. Then also go to the advanced options right here, and if you go to optional updates and expand driver updates menu, you will also see the driver updates for your device. Hit the checkbox next to them, and then click download, and then just wait until they are all downloaded, and your system will require a restart, which you can perform by clicking restart now right here. Let's just wait until all of them are either completed or pending restart. Okay, if some updates didn't manage to complete, that probably means that they are waiting for the other updates to be the other changes to be applied once you restart the computer. So right now just click restart now, and then we're gonna proceed to the drivers that are particular to your LG. And once your laptop is restarted, re-enter it, and now let's check the let's open the Start menu and search for the LG Update application. So as you can see, I already have two applications, but first of all, search for LG Update installer. It has to be pre-installed on your computer. Just run this application, click yes, and let it install the LG Update app. And once it downloads and install it on your computer, you're probably gonna have to restart it once again, and then you're gonna be able to find the LG Update program on your computer. It also also installs this program alongside with other LG tools like let me see, LG Quick Guide, LG Security Guard, or an LG Smart Assistant. But we're not gonna need all of them. But you can still download them alongside with this one. So just run the LG Update, click yes, and wait until the application search is looking for new updates. Okay, and right now you can either update all of the required updates by clicking update right here, or you can go to the list and select the particular drivers that you want to update for your device. Just wait until the list loads up. Okay, and here you can find the driver updates, which have this yellow yellow icons, and the red one or the orange ones are some application updates. So you can either click on each particular driver on the circle in the top left corner of it, and then click installation right here. Or as I said before, if you want to quickly update everything and basically all of your system alongside with all the updates applications, you can just click update right here. Though I'm not entirely sure that it's not gonna transfer us to the same page that we are now right now. Okay, no, it just it's actually weird. It just transferred us to the previous page. Okay, so let's go to the updates list, and let's just select all the updates because I need to update this device fully. So let me select all of them and click installation, and then just wait until the installation is download and installation is finished. Okay, and once the files are downloaded, they will start installing, and during the update, the system may also automatically restart if required. So you don't even have to interfere during this process. So right now, let's wait until the installation process is complete. Okay, so I was actually mistaken. After my laptop restarted, I actually had to relaunch the LG Updates application and go back to the this updates list and select install, and after that. After that, as you can see, my system is being restarted once again. So let's just wait until the laptop relaunches, and I'm gonna just do the same thing once again. I just think that this program somehow doesn't have the rights to perform to relaunch automatically on the computer. It seems to me this way. Okay, so now let me just do the same thing. I'm gonna re-enter the system. Maybe it will launch automatically if it would have launched if I was more patient. But let me do this manually once again. Okay, so from what I see, each time a driver update gets installed, basically your computer needs to restart to apply changes. Your PC restarts, and you have to relaunch this application, which is not quite convenient. I'm not sure why LG did it this way. But just in case, I also want to show you how to search for driver updates in the browser. So just let me wait until these updates are completed. Okay, so actually things didn't go as bad as I had thought they would. After the third restart, all the driver updates were successfully completed, but still I'd like to show you how to search for drivers online, and to do so you're gonna have to get to know your device's model name. It may be different from mine. Just look at the back side of your device, and in this place you'll be able to spot your device's model name. So write it down somewhere or take a photo of it, and let me get back to you in a moment. Okay, so open the web browser on your computer, make sure that you have an internet connection, and input the model name of your device. For me it's 16ZB19R, and just search for drivers, and you're gonna find the official LG website that says product support for this model. Open this website, scroll down this website, software update. Open the software update. Oh, I think it's excuse me, I think it's the wrong page. So let's open the second one. Okay, so here we go. Open the manuals and software page, and here you have all the drivers you may need for your computer. For example, the WLAN driver. Let's download it And now in order to install it, since they come in the zip folders, we're gonna have to open the downloads folder on your computer, then right click this folder, tap extract all. Let's create a folder actually here. So right click, downloads, new folder, driver. Let's name it whatever you want, and let's select browse right here, then go to downloads, then select driver, select this folder, and extract. Then okay, and right now we have all the files that we need for the driver installation or update. Now open the start menu and search for driver device manager, and open the device manager. Now in order to update the WLAN driver, we have to find the network adapters, expand this list, and find the Intel Wi-Fi driver. Then right click update driver and select browse my computer for drivers, then select browse and select the driver folder in which we extracted all the files. Then click next, and well, if your driver is up to date, then you'll get a message that it's up to date. Now if it could have updated your driver, it would. And that's basically all. At this point, all the drivers are updated. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.